Welcome to the CS50's Introduction to Game Development assignment number 1. In this assignment, we have been given some tasks through which we need to make some changes to the Flappy Bird game. The first one was about randomizing the gap between pipes, so the vertical space between pipes, such that they are no longer hard-coded to 90 pixels. So if we go to the play state update function, here I define a local variable gap height, which is representing indeed the space between pipes, and is initialized with a randomized value between gap min value and gap max value, included 80 and 130. So at each frame, at each pipe pairs spawning, we have a different gap height. For the second task, randomizing the interval at which pairs of pipes are spawned, such that they are no longer always 2 seconds apart, I had the same approach for the timer limit variable, assigning a randomized value between timer limit min and timer limit max 2 seconds and 4 seconds. The third task was implementing a award feature. We are allowing users to get a medal, a trophy, displaying an image along with the score. For this, we made some changes to the score state file within the render function. Here is the code. So whenever the user reaches C as a score, he gets a bronze trophy. Otherwise, if he reaches 5, he gets a silver trophy. Then if he goes beyond 10, he gets a gold trophy. The last task was implementing a pause feature, such that the user can simply press P and pause the state of the game. Play state is raising an event, and the flow passes to the pause state, which is handling the music pause and the play. Let's see the game live. Okay, and here's the pause feature. Thanks for watching.